Hi guys, good morning. Katie here. I need to stretch and exercise, but I don't want to. Sure, sometimes some of you can relate. So, I'm just going to show you a quick and easy way that I stretch out my hip flexors when I'm feeling tired and like I don't want to. And it's like this. So, you're going to be on a couch or a chair or wherever because you don't want to, right? So, you're sitting, you're like thinking about doing the exercise. So a way to start is to get to the edge of the chair or the couch and drop one leg down. You're not going to really be able to see my whole leg here. I like to put my hand on my back here and give my spine a little twist. You can see the length that you get here in the whole iliopsoas muscle. Lifting up through the ribs, dropping down through the chin. I kind of want to keep my eyes closed right now. Let's take a moment. And then to open up the hip even further, I like to externally rotate the femur. So I'm going to externally rotate my femur. Feel that openness. So your shin is parallel or about perpendicular to your thigh here, your femur here. A few breaths, breathing, feeling. Lifting up through the chest, lengthen, chin down, lengthening through the back of the neck, turning inward, feel your hips. And go back. Oh, a little twist maybe. Oh. I don't know if you could hear that. Definitely give a little adjustment to my hips. El otro lado, let's go. Oh, my energy's already picking up. Feel a lot better. How do you feel, Edgar? Beepy? You want the top of your foot down on the floor, and like I didn't take the time to align. Make sure you take the time to align. Here, 90 foot on the top of the floor, so your foot's not just flopped side to side. Oh, I did that one a little different, right? Yeah, you could do a twist. See? Kind of knew that, but I didn't think to share that one with you. It's the exploration that of our body that often leads us to realizing new things we can do. That feels even better. And then go external rotation of the femur. Feel how that pulls your hip forward. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, breathing, feeling. Letting any tension out of your body. All that tension you become aware of. Let's take a couple more breaths. This hip wants a couple more breaths for me. So you can finish or give this side a little longer. And come back to center. I might feel like opening up my spine a little more, going side to side. Oh, that feels nice. Yeah. I want one more at least. You can do this as much as you want. Anyway, yeah, those are a few exercises that I do to get my body moving when I really don't want to. This can also just serve as your morning kind of wake up exercises. Or you can go into some more things. Maybe take the legs together. I think I'm going to do more. This is a good warm up, though. Oh, do you hear that popping? Lord, take care of yourselves. You got to take your power back. Mwah. Ciao.